today's episode, we'll be looking at the Planoly versus Plann review that will enhance your content planning forever. Let's get into it. Okay, so you've done your research on IG schedulers, but a Planoly versus Plann comparison can really help you make the right decision. Instagram is a beast of a platform with so many ways to display a brand to potential clients. Publishing regularly on Instagram stories is one of the secrets to getting in front of your ideal audience 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Daily users of the platform spend 80% of their time binge watching IG stories. Before giving up or ignoring the platform altogether, let me know if you can relate to any of this. Pushing out content 5 days a week can potentially be exhausting. No matter how many resources are available, you still seem to suffer with a feeling of indecision. It would really help you if publishing content by themes was easily available. If only there was a way to effectively plan your IG content in such a way that would match your content pillars. In this episode, you will learn the similarities and differences between Planoly versus Plann, as well as why you should use one compared to the other. So why use IG stories for business? Before looking at Planoly and Plann, it is important to bear a few important facts about IG stories in mind. The number one reason why Instagram continues to be a difficult platform for entrepreneurs and small business owners may surprise you. Engagement is the one thing needed for your content to reach the explore page. However, engagement takes a lot of time because it is a manual process that needs to be done daily. Did you know that over 500 million people use IG stories every day, according to the statistics from Hootsuite? What's even more surprising is that 81% of people use IG to research products and services. The fact that over 130 million people tap on a shopping post every month is nothing short of